Okay. Hi fellas, Ben back again on another one. This is Nuts and Bolts. Another sub-brand of KICKSTART Garage. KICKSTART Garage has come up with this beautiful concept, Nuts and Bolts. So what you guys see here is bike spares and accessories and a lot of interesting stuff. Very, very, very nice store in terms of the goods that they have. They have the premium goods and they also have goods for people who don't want to shell out a lot of money. So I will just walk you through quickly on what they have. We'll do a detailed video some other day, but for today it's just going to be a quick walkthrough on all the stock. So yeah, lights and related stuff, relays and wiring harness, some what do I see? Oh, so some tank pads, some tank guards and some tail racks. Again, a lot of aux lights. Auxiliary lights are something that has been going on for a really long time. So yeah, look at all this. HJG, this is one brand that I have been using for some time now, and my stock my aux lights are doing pretty well for themselves. I've not really had a problem with the moment I switched to HJG. This is, I believe, a standard from the Chinese fellas. So you get what you pay for. You can really count on these fellas. They're not the best quality, not the premium quality, but definitely second or third in the order. Some headlight drills, again, accessories. Well, this is interesting. You have RCB chain automatic tensioners. You have billet aluminium CNC cut rear view mirrors. You have the BMC air filters, the K&N air filters for the Himalayan and the Royal Enfields. You also have a MW Performance, Motor Wings Performance air filter, the chain guard, the master cylinder guard, whatnot. Pretty much the whole list goes on and on, so I don't really know if I want to run you through all of this, but if it helps, it helps. The list of accessories goes on and on. So grips and a lot of guards for that matter. Nice grips from Racing Boy. Again, Racing Boy is a Malaysian manufacturer, I believe, and I run the aluminium rims from these guys, and the rims have just completely transformed the motorcycle. I made a video, you guys should definitely check it out. Brake pads, Easy Clutch, I run this too from ProSpec. They have stock from ProSpec. ProSpec wind deflectors. What else? Again, some windshield guards. What is this? Stainless steel for Royal Enfield. A chain guard for the Interceptor. A lot of exhaust. These guys have exhaust. Handlebars, exhaust. Oh, yep. So we have exhaust. We have exhaust from Red Rooster. We have exhaust from Motor Wing. And oh, I'll have to go in from there. A lot of handlebars, crash guards. I'll start from here. 1 second. So Putalin chain lube and chain clean. We have liquid moly, the whole kit. We have this Yenna lube? Chain lube in color. So we have red, blue and green for chain lubes. Interesting, it's going to look interesting. We have the BMC recharger kit for the air filters. We have a lot of interesting products. I will run you through in detail, all these products in great detail the next time I come to the store. But for today we have the roll-on chain sprocket kit, the brass plated. The one that I run is also brass plated, which is called the gold chain from RK. And Basil has promised me that he's also expecting RK chains and chain sprocket kits. We have the most premium oil from Mortal, the 15W50 Ester. Fully synthetic, 300V, the factory line. And then chain loops and iridium plugs and so on and so forth. What else? What is interesting? What is catching my eye? Phone mounts, Bobo and related stuff. These fellas make good, very good phone mounts with the charger. And then we have the Mortal chain paste. So this is definitely something that can come in handy during rainy seasons. Again, the semi-synthetic 5100, which I had been running for about 30,000 kilometers on my motorcycle before I switched to AMSOIL. And what else is this? This is hand grips for the Himalayan. We have chain clean brushes. We have Mad Dog wiring harness, Mad Dog Scout X. Is there another Mohan? Switch. Okay, so the Mad Dog comes with
Pro, switch, normal switch.
Okay. Okay. So there are various categories in the switches as well. What else? What else is interesting? Again, lights. A lot of LED headlights. So these are the stock replacement lights, H4, I believe. What else? What else? I'm just running you through the store. I'm not here to canvas anything. I'm not here to promote anything. I'm just letting you know that there are interesting items here. You guys should definitely come and check out the store. I'll drop in the address. These are saddle stays, crash guards, dedicated crash guards. Whole lot of exhaust, whole lot of aftermarket exhaust. Wow, nice. A jerry can too. Interesting. So this is another aftermarket jerry can, long haul. Interesting. 5 liters, I believe. And yeah, that's the whole of it. Jerry can, exhaust, microfiber. So the best part of this store is they also have stock of the spares, Royal Enfield spares, and that is very important. So it's not just accessories, they also have stocks of all that could be a consumable that would go wrong, clutch wires, oil filters, and whatnot, crash guards, liquid gun, engine oil, gaskets, and what do we see here? Bash plates, is it? Bash plate, then
Rear seat cover.
rear seat cover. Okay, rear seat cover look like a bash plate. All of Royal Enfield spares. Interceptor Himalayan, where? Classic Interceptor Himalayan. You will
Mostly
almost all the bikes. So all the bikes from Royal Enfield, we have parts here. So that's the best part. You don't have to stand in a queue in the service stations. You can come here and ask for your parts, and definitely it will be arranged. Wow, an aluminium rim. So this is Interceptor dane? This is an aluminium rim again. Interesting, from Excel. So these guys they have access to all the spares, is what I'm trying to say. A whole lot of spares. So I don't have to really go to the service stations and stand in line and only to be disappointed. You can definitely come here and check out these spares. Lovely consumables, a lot of them. So that's a nice concept, isn't it? Have Royal Enfield spares along with accessories. That's the best part. So yeah, Basil has also promised me that they're building on the inventory. They're definitely going to add a lot more of parts and interesting stuff. But until then, we'll have to wait and see what more is going to come to the store. So yep, this was a quick tour of the nuts and bolts. Interesting, right? Nuts and bolts accessory store. I'll catch up with you guys on another one. So until then, this is Ben signing out for now. Ciao.